In today's video, I will show you how to create an account on Upwork. First, open a browser, search by writing upwork.com. Then you can see an interface like this. Here you can see the list of what works. We will take a look. Today I will show you how to create an account. I will explain everything in the next episode. Click on sign up to create an account. Here you can see a question that is join as a client or freelancer. I am selecting I am a freelancer looking for work. There are 3 methods to sign up. First process, continue with Apple. Second process, continue with Google. Third process is through email. Select number 3, name according to your NID. If you don't have it, your family can give to it someone. I will tell why in the next episode. I am filling the form with my information. You fill in your name and email. Then go to your Gmail inbox. Here you can see a mail. Open it and click on verify email. Your account creation is complete. We will see how to complete the account up to 100% in the next episode. Thanks for watching.